Sell your prints. A beautiful photo is a work of art, and people will pay for art. If you want to earn some extra cash by selling prints of your work, here are a few ways to do that. Sell your photos on your own website, or upload them to sites like ImageKind. Bring framed copies of your photos to sell at art and craft fairs. Get your photos displayed at coffee shops, restaurants, and other outlets. Offer printed copies to your clients. Sell your photos at local art or photography galleries. Before you start selling prints, find a good printing service first. Check out Adorama Pics to ensure the quality of the end product. Do freelance photography work for magazines or newspapers. Contact your local magazines and newspapers and inquire about possible freelance work. It definitely won't be a stable job, but it's a great way to earn some money on the side. Eventually, when you've established a relationship with a local publication, you can expect a steadier stream of work covering local events and snapping photos for features and news stories. Make sure to build a strong portfolio to increase your chances of getting work. Become a photography tour guide. Mass tourism has turned off a lot of people these days, and vacationers are always on the look for more authentic experiences. You can offer to lead them through the maze of your city, or area, or any other specific location, and teach them how to photograph it best. Shoot events. It's one of the most classic ways to make money as a photographer. Weddings, bar mitzvahs, birthdays, company events, you have plenty of opportunities. It's physical and can be exhausting, but there's good money to be made. The amount you can charge mostly depends on your reputation, the time of year, and the location. Shoot portraits. The portrait market demand has reached enormous levels. This photography business can be initiated from home. Often only requiring modest photography equipment, you'll only need several pieces of cloth, backdrop, a camera, some good lenses, 2 or maybe 3 lights, and let's not forget the tripod. In addition to the equipment being modest by one's standards, it is all reasonably lightweight and easy to handle should you need to work outdoors.